Hello, Namaste, Annyeonghaseyo K-pop fans. Welcome to our channel UNNie. Today's video is about SL Studio Star Plus audition in SL Studio Academy. In this audition, you can apply in 8 famous K-pop entertainment companies through just one application form. These 8 companies are Fantagio, YG, SM, B-Lift, Playdis, Yuhua, Big Planet Made and Source Music Entertainment. In this video, I will tell you what is SL Studio Academy, its services, audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application, and results announcement. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming Kpop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. What is SL Studio Academy and its services? For over 30 years, Seoul Land, known as SL Studio, has been a major entertainment company best known for its beloved amusement park in Korea. In mid-2019, Seoul Land Company opened SL Studio in a venture to lead the K-Wave. Seoul Land and Seoul Slim Lee is CTO, Chief Technology Officer of this studio. Seoul Lim Lee has discovered and trained many superstars during her career at SM Entertainment. Her impressive success stories include Girls' Generation Taeyeon, Shailly UNNie, EXO Kai, icon Kim Jin-hwan, and Mamamoo Moonbyul. SL Studio Academy helps their trainees to improve their skills and helps them to be selected in the K-pop entertainment companies. And there are and were many trainees who got selected in big entertainment companies after being trained in this academy. SL Studio team of instructors is comprised of those who currently teach at top entertainment management agencies such as SM, YG, JYP, Loen, Cube and Big Hit Entertainment. They bring their extensive experience and implement the same systematic training system at SL Studio. This is a K-pop academy, music and event production and artist management agency. These 22 companies are partner of the SL Studio Academy. So it means we will get more and more opportunities through this website to audition for many big entertainment K-pop companies. Now let's know the details of this audition. Audition qualifications and categories. There are different age and gender eligibilities for each company, but there is no nationality restriction. It means applicants from all over the world can apply in this audition. If you are eligible to apply in more than one company, but there is restriction that you should apply only for one category in any specific company, then don't think too much. Just choose your company according to your eligibility. Showing more than one talent is not a crime. For Fantagio Entertainment Company, only boys of any age can apply in this audition. You can choose one or two categories from vocal, rap, dance. For SM Entertainment Company, any female born in or after 2003 and male born in or after 2000 can apply. You can choose one or two categories from vocal, rap, dance. For YG Entertainment Company, any male or female born in or between 2003 to 2011 can apply. You can choose any one category from vocal, rap, dance. For B-Lift Company, any male or female born in or between 2000 to 2009 can apply. You can choose one category from vocal, rap, dance. For Yuhua Entertainment Company, any male or female born in or after 2003 can apply. You can choose one or two categories from vocal, rap, dance. For Playdis Entertainment Company, any male or female born in or after 2003 can apply. You can choose one category from vocal, rap, dance. For Source Music Company, only female born in or between 2003 to 2011 can apply. You can choose any one category from vocal, rap, dance. For Big Planet Made Company, any male or female born in or between 2003 to 2011 can apply. You can choose one or two categories from vocal, rap, dance. Audition period. from 14th January 2022 till 14th February 2022, 11:59 p.m. KST. So this audition has already been started and its last date is 14th February, and please apply before 11:59 p.m. KST. And don't forget to change this Korean Standard Time in your own country's time zone. Like Indians need to change KST into IST. That means according to Indian Standard Times, Indians need to apply before 14th February 8:29 p.m. IST. You can easily change your country's time zone by using Google. Required attachment files: self-introduction video plus talent videos. No camera filter or heavy makeup. Combine self-introduction plus main field and upload it as one video. This one file should be total up to 2 minutes long. Main field: suppose you have two talents, dancing and singing, but you are better in dancing comparing to singing. So your dancing video will be your main field video. For introduction vocal rap, record your upper body. Wearing mask is not allowed. Don't use background music in your vocal video. If you want, so you can use some beats in your rap video. Your second talent video should be within 90 seconds. For dance, record your full body shot, no matter whether you wear a mask or not. Note points: attach one file for each category. Your each file should be less than 100 MB. Rename your each file and write your name, age, field of audition means your audition category. Awards and benefits: final round winner will get a chance to become a trainee under one of these companies. Audition procedure: in first step, online round means submit your application. In second step, 1-1 Zoom video call with the company which has selected you, and SS Studio judge also will be there in Zoom meeting round. In third round, final meeting and sign the contract with the company that has selected you. Note points: if more than one companies will select you, then you will get chance to choose any one of those companies. Before your Zoom meeting audition, SS Studio will contact the first round passers to request for additional talent video. There are 90% chances that if you will be selected in second round, then they will pay for 2 flight tickets, one for you and another one for your parent for final round. Please watch these 2 videos to know how company will contact you for second round, what will happen in Zoom 1-1 audition and what you need to prepare for your Zoom 1-1 audition. This video link is in description box. How to apply: open the audition application form link from description box, fill out the Google form, attach required files and submit your form. Now let's see the application process. This is the form for foreigners who are living out of Korea. If you are living in Korea, then there is another form for you. Write your email, full name, phone number with country code, like India's country code is 91. Choose your date of birth. Write your height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. Choose your gender and choose your region. Like we Indians are from South Asian region, so I will choose South Asia. Here write your country name where you live. Choose your applying field. Scroll down. Choose all those companies in which you are eligible according to your age and gender. I am not eligible in any of these companies, but to show you application process, I will choose some companies. Here attach your self-introduction and main field video together as one file, and here attach your second talent video. Applying for 2 categories is not required, it's your own choice. And yes, the file name of the uploaded video should be your name, age, field of application. It means rename your file and write your name, age and field in both of your files. I will show you how to rename your file. Come back to home screen, open your file manager and open your intro plus main field video. Choose your video, tap on more and choose rename file option. Write your name, age and field. and save it. Now go back to the application form. Now tap here. From here you can attach files from your gallery. Just like this, attach another video if you want. Now scroll down and read these terms and conditions carefully and tap agree and submit your form. Yes, we have successfully applied for this audition. Now come back to your home screen and open your Gmail app. If you got this application confirmation email, it means you have submitted your form successfully. If you still did not get it, then refresh this page, and also from here, check your spam box if you did not get this email in your inbox. Results announcement. First round passers will be contacted individually within 4 weeks after 14th of February. Today's comment winner is Ilham Muhammad. Thank you so much dear for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care. Love yourself and be happy.